Baby cut the hip up because I made him laugh. Okay, too. Ooh. You're not gonna laugh no more because we got the hip ups, aren't you? Yeah.